dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
All right, good morning. So today is Thursday of week 2 of Messy House Bootcamp for me. I worked on the kitchen so hard. It took me about 4 days with a break day in between. And then Monday came around and I was ready. I got in the family room. I worked in the top corner, like in the left corner, working my way around. And then we had a little play date. And then I lost steam, like major burnout. Started fighting a little cold, big time burnout. So now it is, so that was Monday. This time, now it is Thursday, and I feel like I have not accomplished much of anything the entire week. It's Thursday morning. I tell ya, working to get it done really took it out of me. So I have technically 2 days left of the boot camp. I only have 2 rooms left because I did 3 rooms or 3 sections week 1 and was going to get the other 2 done, but I was going to do them at my own pace. So now I have 2 days to finish the other 2 rooms plus the weekend. So we're going to see how that goes. I'm not going to I feel really great about what is done and that the rest can be accomplished when I start the real, the Organized Mum program. So that's just kind of where it's at. That's one of the reasons I didn't really love the way I was, you know, that it might take 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Like, I don't love it. It's a way to get yourself burned out, you know. And I mean, one of the comments from the book is you're gonna see results that'll give you motivation, and I totally agree with that. I mean, the results are top notch. The method I don't love as much. Now, a commenter had a different interpretation of what she said. Now, in reading the book, the timer is off the table during Clutterbuster and Messy House Bootcamp. There's no timer. You work till it's done. It says it in the book. But another viewer who's watching and doing this along, like she's doing her own version along with, she had the interpretation of you don't take out what you can't finish. Something similar to what we've read in Fly Lady, or what we've heard in Fly Lady. And we just had two very different perspectives of what it was said. Now, I am also recording the journey along with you guys. So I do kind of have a bit of a time limit. I don't want I don't want Messy House Bootcamp to stretch out for 5 weeks, right? I want it to be done. But I prefer the way she's doing it, and she came from Fly Lady too, she said. So I think it's like, as I've been doing this, I was like, what would I change about this? And that is one thing I would absolutely change, is to do this Messy House Bootcamp in smaller increments. She said she was doing 30 minutes a day. What she gets done, she gets done. I think that's a great way. If you want to get it done faster, maybe it's an hour a day. But I think having a time limit is key, because this has taken up a lot of my focus and a lot of my time. And if you've been watching for a while, I will hyper focus on something, and then all my other tasks that I'm supposed to be getting done just don't get done. And the reason for finding this method is to find that balance. So I might have to just record this again. Anyway, the kitchen still looks beautiful and pristine.